Hi sir, if you have the means to choose between Vios, Wigo, Mirage G4 or hatchback, or Accent by Hyundai, what would you choose in terms of maintenance, fuel efficiency, and longevity? Sige, yes Sergeant, shoutout sa'yo, tara sagutin natin. So this is gonna be very interesting as a previous Toyota Vios owner, no? Let me set aside that for now. Let's go to Wigo muna. New version, new model, sophisticated interior, modern, good din naman yung interior. Out of these, yung mga options mo, I think si Wigo yung pinakagusto ko yung interior. Kaya nga lang 1 liter engine lang, diba? I would want a little bit more power. So si Mirage G4 naman, or hatchback, both 1.2 liter engine by Mitsubishi. Personally, I would go for G4, yung sedan version, no? I really like yung itsura ni G4. And yun lang, yung build quality lang talaga ni Mirage G4. Medyo mas gusto ko yung kay Vios. And then lastly, kay Hyundai Accent naman, okay naman si Hyundai Accent. I have a very good friend who's owned an Accent for a lot of years now. I think still around 2017 until now, buhay pa. So longevity, kahit Hyundai, diba? Pagka sinabing longevity kasi automatic Toyota, but I'm surprised with Hyundai. Yun nga, pag siguro alaga lang talaga, nagle-last long naman din si Hyundai. So, no problem. But yun nga, sa build quality pa rin talaga magkakatalo. So, when you say build quality, I really still love the quality of the Toyota Vios. It's one of the mga OG na Toyota kasi yung good pa yung quality kasi yun nga naging Daihatsu na si Toyota, yung a lot of their smaller cars. So Toyota Vios is one of those solid na okay talaga yung quality, you'll feel it's premium and then solid yung bakal. Kaya lang fuel efficiency naman din yung problema ko nung I own the Vios. So if medyo big deal sa'yo yung fuel efficiency, of course Wigo is really the top option for that. So more likely lang naman, if you can manage 8 kilometers per liter, 9 kilometers per liter, okay sa'yo yun. Then, I guess, out of these options na binigay mo sa akin, I still think I'll go for the Vios. Medyo aaray ka lang talaga sa gasolina or sa fuel consumption. But the overall feeling, the overall ownership experience, yung build quality niya is really good. Longevity pa, diba? So, I think yun yung masasabi ko dito. So, sana nakatulong. Check my car reviews on my YouTube channel. Follow for more.